welcome to my channel. So for today's vlog, I will do unboxing. As you guys see, I have two boxes here. They are from Amazon. I'm excited to show you guys kung ano ang binili ko. So, and first, before I do the unboxing, I just want to thank you to my 500 subscribers. I really do appreciate your support. Please continue watching my YouTube, and I hope that I make you guys happy. I get to entertain you guys. So, eto na! Let's go ahead and start with my unboxing. And I'll go ahead and open the first box muna, itong pinakamalaki. So, tingnan natin kung ano to. Wow! Sandali nga, tayo nga muna ako. Eto na. Ooh! Ano kaya to? Parang hindi alam kung ano binili, no? Eto guys. So, eto siya. So, I have one piece here. Tapos, ito. I'm sure you guys might have an idea kung ano to. Tapos, I have two of these. At saka, yung plunge. Ito. Okay. So, guys, ano to? Background stand. Parang backdrop support siya. Kasi minsan, dito sa apartment, meron naman kami mga gandang area na kung saan kami nag-shoot. As you guys see my previous vlog naman, di ba? Pero minsan, it's nice to have just a nice plain background pag nag-vlog. And it makes a difference actually. Set ko mamaya, we'll see the difference, di ba? So, eto siya. It could adjust from 5 feet to 10 feet siya. So, that's pretty tall. So, eto siya. And so it comes with the here's the stand. Tapos ito yung I think this one yung parang nasa bar siya yung pag ano. Ito yun. Tapos it comes with 4 clips. It comes with these two. I think this one ano siya. Kung ayaw kong i-use itong mga clips, yung buhangin dito para ipin mo siyang ganyan para mag-steady yung whiteboard. Actually, I bought this set na siya. So, tingnan ko kung ano yung nasa ibang box para ma-setup natin siya. Okay. So, as I mentioned earlier, I bought it all in one package. So it came actually with a 6 by 2 or 6 by 9 feet na black fabric backdrop background. So it comes with the black one. Kung ayaw namin ng black, there is a white one as well. So I think this one is the same size. Yeah. So, we do have two options. Kung gusto ko ng masaya, medyo siguro itong puti. Kung ano naman, medyo gusto ko ng dark background. So, ito na lang ang gagawin ko yung black. Cool! And also, I got 2 microphones. Ito, it doesn't come with a package. I bought this separately. So, I got the microphone kasi sometimes parang nahihirapan akong marinig yung boses ko without the microphone. So, I hope this works. And I got 2 kasi sometimes when I collab with, with someone, at least, hindi lang ako yung may mic. These are from Pop Voice. And I got it from Amazon as well. So, ayan siya. Oh, maliit lang siya. Pero, mahaba yung cord niya. So, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and then I'll see you guys next part of my unboxing. Hello guys! Welcome back! So, natayo ko na yung backdrop natin na binili ko na I just unboxed earlier. So, this is the second part of my unboxing video. So, before I start the second part, I just wanted to show you kung ano ang itsura nung backdrop ko na nabili ko from Amazon. So, I want to show it to you guys, and then we'll start to the second part of the unboxing, okay? Alright, here you go. Alright guys, ito yung backdrop. As you guys can see, may pin on both side or clip. Kasi tela yung puti, so it doesn't look wrinkled. Pero as you guys can see, medyo wrinkled pa rin siya. So that's what the backdrop na binili ko from Amazon. And that's where I sit. Ay medyo magulo. Ito yung mga lights ko at hiring lights ko. And that right there. Alright. Yan siya guys. Alright, we'll see you on my next part of the video. Okay guys, ito na yung second part ng aking unboxing video. Before I open the items next to me, I just wanted to let you guys know yung items na in-unbox ko kanina from Amazon, the backdrop behind me. It also actually came with the black color. I think I've showed you guys already, pero I just wanted to tell you again. So it's nice to have a different option. Kung you guys get tired with a white background, at least you have a different color to put up, and you'll have a different background. So now I'm gonna open the. Hindi naman masyadong marami, just 2 items guys. Actually, dapat mas marami pa to, but the items that I ordered, medyo nagka-delay, so I didn't wait for it na lang. So that way I can release the video and show you guys. So let's see here. And guys, ang tagal kong hinintay yung mga to. I think it's at least 2 or 3 weeks before dumating. Okay. So eto guys, if you guys wonder what this is. So this is, it's dog toothbrush bone toy. Ito siya guys. So the reason I got this, because nakasanayan ko na hindi ko sila binabrush ang teeth nila. Pero they have this called mouthwash. This is the one that I was talking about earlier. So it's called Fresh Breath. So it's oral care. So what you do, you just add this with the water, and then they'll have a nice fresh breath. It doesn't require no brushing, and they'll have a really nice refreshing breath. Yun. Ang gulo ko mag-explain, no? So this one.
Excuse me.
Okay, so there it is. Guess nyo to guys kung ano to. Kama ni na Panda at Pia. And let me go ahead and open it. It's really good for your dog. It's called calming bed. So what it is, kung may anxiety ang dogs nyo or yung mga pet nyo, this is really good for them. So Pia, yung pinaka maingay kong aso, she has anxiety. This is actually good for her. So I think, kala ko malaki pa to dito, I guess hindi. Maybe siguro na-flat lang siya. Ito siya guys. So, ang ano niya, ang smooth. Ang ganda guys, ang smooth. Oh, parang gusto ko yatang gumamit nito. See? I like it. It's nice. Ito. Ayan guys. Eto guys, ang aking mga pinamili. Ayan guys. Parang nagustuhan nila yung bed nila. Hey Pia! Si Pia hindi. Parang si Panda nag-enjoy yung sa ano niya. O gustong-gusto niya. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and click that bell button so you guys can be updated with any upcoming videos. Be safe and thank you